So standard 10, we are in Math 2 now, lesson number 2, Pythagoras theorem. Till now we have completed the first lesson, similarity of the triangles in geometry. Now we'll go for the second lesson, Pythagoras theorem. There some very important things are there. We know what is meant by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. This is our Pythagoras theorem. There is one formula, empirical formula for Pythagorean triplet. For Pythagorean triplet, What is meant by Pythagorean triplet? Means three numbers. One will be hypotenuse and the other two will be the remaining two sides. Triplet. If this is a very important note, if A, B, C are natural numbers and A is greater than B, then A square plus B square, comma, A square minus B square, comma, and 2AB is a Pythagorean triplet. Is a Pythagorean triplet. This is very important. Don't forget this. This is important. When you sit for a higher exam, competitive examinations like MPSC or like this, then this is very essential part. If suppose A is taken as 5 and B is taken as 3, A is greater than B, then this side will be A square plus B square, A square minus B square, and 2AB would be the Pythagorean triplet. So don't forget this. Say A equal to 5, B equal to 3, then find the Pythagorean triplet. So which are the Pythagorean triplets? First will be A square plus B square means 5 square plus 3 square. So 5 square is 25, 25 plus 9 will be 34. Then A square minus B square, and that is equal to 5 square minus 3 square. 5 square is 25. And this is 9, so 16. And the third will be 2AB is equal to 2 into A means 5 into B means 3. So 5 to the 10, 3 is 30. So 34, 16 and 30. This is the Pythagorean triplet. 34, 16 and 30 is a Pythagorean triplet. 34 will be the hypotenuse and these will be the two remaining sides. So don't forget this. Now after this, I am rubbing this. Some basic idea we should have. In the 9th standard we have seen the property of a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Property of 30 degree dash 60 degree dash 90 degree triangle. This property, I will draw the 30, 60, 90 triangle over here. This is 30 degree, this is 60 degree, and this will be 90 degree. Name of this triangle is suppose ABC. So how much will be BC? BC is equal to 1 upon 2 AC. BC is the side opposite to 30 degree. It will be half the hypotenuse. Side opposite to 30 degree. Don't forget these things. And the side opposite to 60 degree is AB. AB equal to root 3 upon 2 into AC. So the reason will be side opposite to 60 degree. So this you should know. Now for 45 property of 45 90 degree triangle. This is 90 degree. This triangle is ABC. This is 45 degree. This will be also 45 degree. And then the side opposite to 45 degree is 1 upon root 2 times the hypotenuse. So AB equal to BC. This is 1. Side opposite to congruent angles are congruent. This is 45 opposite to this will be BC. This is 45 opposite to this is AB. So both of these sides are opposite to 45 degree. Therefore they are equal. Reason we give it as sides opposite to congruent angles. To congruent angles. Congruent angles. And AB equal to BC equal to 1 upon root 2 into hypotenuse AC. This is the property of 45, 90 degree triangle. So you should remember all these things. Then tomorrow we will see one theorem in the next video. By that time, till then, goodbye. Just be prepared for this.